Amanda, can you marry me?
I don't like to use back of my camera now. No, the front they did like saying something. Hey guys, no, not the screen. Front camera is always less lesser quality. Yeah, welcome back. We're actually heading to next cash and carry. I'm supposed to do an intro in the house, but we are trying to surprise someone, and that person is in the house. So if I start my intro and I start talking, she will get a hint that we're trying to surprise her. So we're actually going to make inquiries. This is like the beginning of this vlog. It's a vlog planning how, detailing how we planned my younger sister's surprise engagement party. Okay, so a little backstory on this whole engagement thing.
Okay, so I just left the house now, and I'm about to call my parents and tell them of my good news that I want to propose to my girlfriend. Man, this feels so surreal, man. So yeah, I'm gonna call them, inform them. She has no idea. Later today, I'm gonna be telling her elder sisters, and they're gonna help me plan the whole stuff. She'll be going out to market to get something for my sister's wedding and stuff. So I'll have time to tell her siblings who would help me to plan the whole proposal and engagement surprise. It's gonna be interesting. So yeah, I just wanted to document this so that it's be on record. So stay tuned, I guess.
Amanda and Raymond, which is my younger sister's boo, came to Port Harcourt. Amanda lives in Lagos, but they came to Port Harcourt to see my parents and this other side of her family. That's just her siblings that live in Port Harcourt. So he came to get acquainted with us, and after some days, he took us aside. My family entirely, except Amanda, she went to buy something. So he took the opportunity of the time when she went out to get a few things to tell us that he would like to prepare a surprise engagement for Amanda. So he would want us to handle it. Because it's his first time in Port Harcourt, he doesn't know like anyone in Port Harcourt except, of course, we who he came to see. He decided he wanted us to handle it. He wanted us to use Pleasure Park because he went to Pleasure Park and he fell in love with the space and all. So this outing is us going out to explore all of the costs. So after we finished with next cash and carry, we decided to have lunch at Agnes Court before heading out to Pleasure Park to check the rest of the things we needed to check. We already checked for the drinks. We checked for cake. Wanted to buy an already made cake there, but give them the color scheme they will use in designing it. But it turns out that they don't do that there. So we are going to have to take the cake orders elsewhere. We've been walking around. Anyway, so we are done with next cash and carry. And now we are currently at Pleasure Park. We are trying to look for like a serene, cool spot in Pleasure Park where we'll do our setup. But let's just go in and see how we are going to do our setup.
Oh, she has no idea. No idea how beautiful she is.
I've also no idea to like, you won't carry me go somewhere. You don't go to lost me like
No, I know if you lost you.
If this was Lagos, I'll be like, hey, that means you have planned something.
So hi guys, welcome back. Last time I gave an update was on Monday, right? It was on Monday. So since then till now, we've had like serious change of plans. So like I was saying, I had to rearrange my camera because the front was just not giving. We had to change the location for the surprise engagement, and we decided to use my auntie's house. You hear me say my auntie in this video. That's my sister-in-law, my beloved sister-in-law. When Amanda came, they had already promised that they were going to see her before they leave back for Lagos, because we are actually very close to her. I'm very close to my sister-in-law. My kids are very close to her, and Amanda is also close to her as well. When she was still in Port Harcourt, we used to visit her a lot. So when she came to Port Harcourt this time around from Lagos with her boo, she said she was going to visit her and introduce her boo to her. You get? So that day, we decided to use that particular day. They decided to visit her to plan the surprise engagement party in her house. So this is just like a backstory. The place is more quiet. And aside from the fact that the weather was like one of the biggest reasons why we had to change it, another thing was the kind of person my kid sister is. She's someone that is kind of reserved. So planning such is a private occasion, well, I would call it a private moment, in somewhere like Pleasure Park, where you will still have people coming around. By the time he goes down on one knee and all of the decor is in, my sister will just be too shy to enjoy the moment. So we decided to like take it somewhere very private, where she will have just her immediate family members and friends present. So there will be no need for her to be reserved or shy or anything. That's why we're bringing it here. So let me just show you guys what the place looks like undecorated. So by the time we start decorating the whole space, you guys will see like before and the after. Okay? All right. Yeah. So this is the ring. It's so cute. So cute. Beautiful. Let me go and give it now. Okay. So coming in, I'm now even doing a house tour of my auntie's house without permission. Anyway, so this is like the outside. This is where she's going to come in from. This is the sitting room, and this sitting room is like the best place because the dining is directly opposite the door. So as soon as she's coming in, I just turned. As soon as she's coming in, she's just going to see all of the decor. That place my auntie is standing. Yay! Will you marry? It's going to be like the absolute best. Guys, I cannot even wait. I can't even wait. So this is one of the biggest surprises we have. Okay, see her bestie, her twinnie, her sister. She doesn't know Amarachi is in town. Okay, because my sister is actually based in Lagos, but this whole surprise engagement is happening here in Port Harcourt. So she left her friend to bring her boo to come and show my dad, and this whole thing is happening here. I'm sure that if we had done this whole surprise engagement without Amarachi being here, oh, I don't know what would have happened. The two of them, they are joined at the hip like this. Like, if you see them together, they even look alike. So you would even be, I don't know. But, two peas in a pod, exactly. So Amarachi came into town yesterday. Amarachi, say hi. She came into town yesterday. Amanda has no clue that Amarachi is in town. So the first time, after seeing the boo with the engagement ring, Raymond, then I think Amarachi is the next person that she's going to say. I know she's going to freak out. I know she's going to freak out, okay? So as soon as she enters, she's just going to see Raymond right there. So this is what the sitting room looks like, undecorated. Oh, the sitting room is so cute. Anyway.
Hello.
Hi. This is going to be our surprise. our surprise cameraman. She doesn't even know Peter at all. Okay, so by the time that my auntie holds her at the gate there, she will not even know what's about to happen. We're just going to delay her and allow Raymond to come into the sitting room. By then, all this whole place will be like properly arranged, and Raymond will have like his bouquet and the ring ready to kneel as soon as she opens the door. So we plan to set up something like an arc with, I'm just going to show you guys. Tomorrow we are coming back to redecorate. We only came here today, so we'll have like a clear picture of what we want to do. So by tomorrow, we are going to take out like this dining, the chairs, and then mount the love arc and everything.
You want to give me what?
She said I promised you something. I want it to be on record for your own sake.
Yes.
So she said I owe her 2 things.
Yes.
So here's the deal. I'll give you one as soon as possible. Maybe this week.
Okay.
And then you be the one to choose the second something. And we've checked on it inside.
Yes.
And I told her that I'll remind her of it when I give her the gift, so that she will know that okay, this is the one thing that I've given to her.
Yeah, sure, I agree. As long as I get to pick one of
You
the
agree, Abby?
and you pick the other one, I agree.
Yes. And you say this, it must blow your mind.
Yes. You need to wow me.
The backstory to getting Amanda now to dress the part was that One day when we were going to the market, me and her, we saw in a woman's boutique one beautiful black dress, and she was like, she loves this dress. So Raymond actually paid for that dress and told her that he would like to take her to a fancy restaurant sometime within the week. So they will have like a fancy dinner date and he would want her to wear the dress. And she said, okay. They were supposed to go out for their dinner date on Friday, which was what Raymond told her. But we already knew that date was not going to happen on Friday. But then when Friday came, he now told her that he had work stuff spilled over from the next day, and then they have a couple of meetings that he had to join through Zoom and all, so that they should move the event to Saturday. And she was like, but we're going to see Auntie Ketch on Saturday. And he said that he will either take her to Michael Gardens. They will go either before they go and see my auntie or after they come back. They now decided that Raymond now said, okay, that they will go to Michael Gardens, which for their dates earlier, and then meet us up at my auntie's place. That was the scope we gave her anyway. So that was the only way we were able to get her to dress the way we wanted her to dress on that Saturday. And it worked out. Okay, so this is the finished look of the decoration we had on ground that day. This decoration was done by my elder sister. She's an event planner and a decorator. So if you want to plan something like this and you're in Port Harcourt, you can reach out to her. I will leave her number in the description. Alpha Classic, right? So we're doing everything so fast, but no time. My sister is here. She just knocked. So every other person, my dad, everybody has gone in. She doesn't know that my dad and my mom, her friends, they're going to be here. I'm so excited. They are outside right now. So we're waiting for Raymond to come in. Once Raymond comes inside the house, I'll start the music. Go inside. Ring.
I forgive me. My son is sick. What manner of sickness is this? I have you come.
Oh.
So, Raymond, I want to gossip with this girl.
Bro.
Do you want to hear gossip?
Yeah, I don't.
Do you want to hear gossip? Do you want to hear gossip? Do you want to hear? Go.
Oh.
Go. Oh my God. So we should do one properly. Now, so the thing is sweet. Now I'm beginning to think my husband did this thing. That's what they shout. That one, they pressure me. I'm like, calm down, man. It's okay. I've already collected 100 naira. I'm not even wearing the change. So anyhow I complain, you see they Please forgive me. I'm how did they take home person? How did they take home like this? Why hold you like this? Are you seeing how we're walking?
Oh, come. Going, just going.
Come out, everybody.
And I'd also to introduce my wife. It's been an adventure. So I want all the laughs, all the experience that we share together to be a forever something. So on this very moment, I would like to ask you if you are ready for this adventure. Amanda. Will you marry me? Go back,
This is so sweet. Mission
Let's see that a man made you cry, Amanda. Hey, in this life. Amanda, what happened to? What happened to? What happened to hard girl?
Okay, for the future Amanda, did I wow you? You be the one to answer. Wait, calm down. The future Amanda will answer this one. So I hope I wowed you. Huh? Okay.
Wait.
Although grace has been conquered.
Like, I don't stand for relationship. Amanda, what put her down? Amanda, what put her not interested? I'm not interested. I don't want to stay for relationship. Amanda, what put her man will stay your wife?
We don't run out. Evidence, please.
You said yes.
You said yes. Hard girl don't go.
Hard girl. You must. Show us the ring.
I give it up.
Wait first.
You want
So happy.
Oh, don't cry again. I'll come clear your sweat again. No. One, but oh yeah, go do it again. Lick. Remember this crazy. Amazing, pretty.
Everything she said. Everything she said and more. All my haters and my lovers.
Leave. You should. Okay.